and can you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
sir.
first I'm giving the definition for international tax configuration. Okay. So there are two types of taxes there. One is input tax and one more is output tax. Input tax coming under purchase and output tax coming under sales. Okay, so input tax coming under accounts payable and output tax coming under accounts receivable. You have to understand this. So the call is recording, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
It's
Any doubt in this two line? You understand this, or you are getting doubt now?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
So input tax is nothing but a tax paid on purchase of any item. See, for example, if you are purchasing any goods or something, tax will be there, correct? So it is called input tax. So it can be treated as an asset, okay, in the financial accounting. And coming to output tax is nothing but paid on sales. Means if you are selling any product to the customer, that time also tax will be there. You know that, right? So it is considered as a liability. Again, I am giving one more example. So here I am giving now tax on purchase. So if you are purchasing any material, the material value is 5,000. So the tax is 10% means 500 rupees, right? And tax on sales. If you are selling any goods to the customer, for the goods value is 10,000, there also some tax will be there, 10%. So how much finally? 1,000 rupees tax. So this is input tax purchase, this is output tax sales. This is current asset, this is current liability. So this is small definition. So in the definition actually you have any doubt right now?
No, sir.
No,
no,
sir.
No.
sir.
So I need actually your server. You send me one hi message. I already have that. I say send me one hi message. Just you give one hi message in Skype. Okay, 1 minute. I will check it. It is there. So yesterday only I got new server. Okay, in ECC. So from your end, I need one help. In my video, like we have the account groups and all, right? That account group actually, please send me the screenshot to me, okay? Because I have to do new configuration in my server. The account group. Once I complete the class, no, please send the screenshot to me, okay? So you understand what I'm telling now, right? Hello?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear me? Okay. Only this account group I need a screenshot. Please send me actually once you complete the class.
Okay, sir.
So international tax configuration, so total I have to follow 5 steps, okay? So more than 2-3 pages are the configuration only. So we'll go one by one. So first configuration I have to do tax procedure. So the T code I'm using for this /n OBYZ is the T code for tax procedure. So why I'm doing this configuration? No? So here only I have to decide which country tax procedure I have to follow. So that is why I'm doing the step. Okay. So if I click on enter now, you can see here procedure. So right. So double click on procedure, and here you can see there are so many countries are there: Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Brazil, Canada, right? So here only I have to decide which country tax procedure I have to follow. So I'll click on position, will follow as per India tax IN. So here you can see tax IN is there, correct? So before that actually I'll check it what is there inside. No? Okay, here we have only this one. Output tax is missing in this server. Okay, see here only input tax is there. Okay, anyway, no problem. So I will select one tax procedure here as per India. Okay, from your server also you have to do the same thing. I will select one tax procedure, and here you can see copy as button, right? So select your copy as button, and here I have to change the character. So what is your company code? JLJL, right? I will update here. Okay, already I created, I think so. 1 minute. Before copying, I will check tax LJ. Okay, better actually I'll follow this. Tax LJ. What is this? Select one entry. Okay, I think I selected two entries now. See, for me actually tax LJ is there. From your server it is not there. So try to understand that, okay? My server is there. From your server what you have to do, you have to go to position, you have to type here tax IN. But tax IN also it is there, but something is missing in the configuration. Okay, so what I am doing now, first I will go to tax LG. Okay, why I am going to LG I will tell you now only, because if I go to control data I am having output and input tax both here. But other configuration output tax is not there. That's why I am choosing this one. In case in your server tax IN is not available, you have to go to new entries and you have to type everything manually. Okay, so my server tax LJ I am following right now. Tax LJ.
So
Okay.
what all we have to do, sir?
What?
In that new entries, what and all we have to type?
Yeah, that's what I am showing now. So first actually you have to create the tax procedure like this. Okay. So here I am selecting this tax LJ. I will click on copy as. So your company code is JLJL, right? I will update here JL. And the tax procedure I am giving now tax procedure for JLJL, your company code. Enter and click on copy all button. See now it's copying three entries because I copy from JL to this one, correct? Enter and click on save. So this is the first step. If you want to see that I copy total three entries, right? Select a JL and double click on control. The same thing you have to go to new entries, you have to type everything manually. It is not available means. I will show you what is there inside. See now you can see here 10, 20, 30 step number. You can mention here 1, 2, 3 also. As per the business, this is not standard. This is one number I am giving, step 10, 20, 30, but here this is very important, condition type. So what is condition type means, that is also example here. You can see the example. In the simple term, condition type is used for different types of charges. Okay, like gross price, discount freight, actually we are using condition type. Condition type is controls the price components in SAP. Price means I told you gross price, discount and all, correct? So in the real-time scenario, pricing can be divided into four elements. That is basic price, discount, tax rate. So there can be different types of conditions for each price element. So finally, condition type means what? It controls the price in SAP. So that is why here I am following the standard. Here you can see the condition type. PASB means base amount. MWAS means output tax. And MWBS means input tax. So this output tax coming under where? Not purchase. Accounts receivable. Sales. Input
Current
tax.
liability.
Input tax coming under accounts payable.
Purchase.
See, again I am
Current
repeating,
tax.
for me it is the, from your end what you have to do, you have to go to new entries, you have to type everything manually. That's why I am showing now. See, here go to new entries, everything blank only, right? See my video, type it. And here I have to tell one more point. Here I mentioned 1010, here also I mentioned 1010, correct? Why I mentioned here 1010, here you can see 10 is there. 10 is, what is the meaning for 10? Base amount. So tax calculated always on the base amount. So that is why here I mentioned 10. In case if you are mentioning here 100, then here also I have to mention 100. And in case if I mention here 1, here also I have to mention 1 as per the business. Okay. See now, why I mentioned 10, I told you. Tax is calculated base amount. And here you can see the accounting key, MWS VST, right? MWS means output tax. MWS, output tax. And here you can see VST. VST means input tax. Why I need account key? Based on the accounting key only I can do the posting in the front end. That's why here also I mentioned. Based on the accounting key we have to assign the GL. So what GL we have to assign? Input tax and output tax. Then only I can post. So accounting key also very important. So this is the first procedure in the tax. See, for me everything is there because I copied. In case in your side it is not there, you have to go to new entries. You have to type everything manually. Before doing this configuration, what you have to do? Outside also you have to go to new entries. Okay, don't copy, then you will get confused. Outside also you have to go to new entries and type the character. See, for example, I will type like this. Your company code already created, JL. If you are typing now, again system throws the error. You know that. Instead of JL, you have to type AB, something. And you have to give the description. Tax procedure for your company code. After that, you have to click on save. Okay, now if I click on save, see the data was saved. Now this is ready, right? If I select this option, if I double click on control, nothing is there now. Why? Because I am creating new. After that, you have to go to new entries, you have to see my video, you have to do the practice. Simple. You understand what I am doing now, right? So, you understand what I am doing now, correct? Hello? Okay. So now, what tax procedure I am following? Tax jail, right? So this tax procedure, what I created now, I have to assign in my country. Assign tax procedure to country. So which T code I am using now? /NOBBG is the T code. Assign tax procedure to country. Enter. You can see here assign country calculation procedure, right? Go to position, update your country here IN, and here tax procedure what I have to assign? Tax J, what I created in the previous steps. And you have to click on save. So this is the second step. And the third step, define tax type, FTXP. So why I am doing this configuration here? So here only I have to decide how much I want to calculate the tax percentage as per the government, like 10% or 13% or 14%. Here only I have to decide. So that is why I am doing this configuration. Define tax type, FTXP is the T code. Enter now. Update your country here IN. Enter. And the tax code any 2 characters as per the business. So here I am following the standard V0. You can give any characters. AB also you can give, no problem. But to follow the standard for time being, V0 meaning 0% tax. You can see here, like this we have to type 0% input tax for vendors. And the tax type here I have to select now V. V means input tax. And click on enter. And here you have to update the 0 because your tax procedure is 0, right? You can see here only. Then click on save. This is 0% tax. Now you can see in the bottom tax code V0 was created. Like this I have to create one more tax V1. Enter now. And here I am giving this one 14.5% input tax for vendors. But you can give any percentage because we are not working in live server. You can give 10% also, 12% also, choice is yours. And tax type here I have to follow V. V means input tax. And click on enter. And already percentage is updated in the back end automatically. No need to update anything here. Click on save. This is V1. And the tax code. This V0, V1 coming under accounts payable. Now I will create one more tax code A0. This is coming under accounts receivable. Enter. And here I am giving a 0% output tax for customer. And the tax type here I have to select A. A means output tax. So this is coming under accounts receivable. Click on enter and save it. Like this, one more tax code I am creating now. A1. Enter. And here I am giving a 14.5% output tax for customer. And here tax type I am selecting now A. A means output tax. And click on enter and click on save. Like this, 4 tax I created now. One is for accounts payable and one is for accounts receivable. So the next configuration, I have to create the GL. 2 GL I have to create. First I will go to FS00. Under purchase, I have to create this one. Purchase, previously I created this one, you know that. Now I am in international tax configuration. The procedure same only. In the account group here, you have to select purchase. Purchase coming under P&L. Short text, I am updating here purchase 14.5%. And go to control data. Tax category, I am selecting here star. Star means, I will tell you what is the meaning for star. If I select here star, it will support input and output both. But in live, what I have to select here V1. Okay. But here, for timing, I am selecting here star. Star means it will support both tax, input also, output also. That is the meaning. But in live, I have to select here V1, tax category. And here, you can see I selected one more option, posting without tax allowed. Why I am selecting this option? Sometimes I have to do the posting 0% tax, right? So that time I have to select this option. Then only I can post the 0% tax in the front end. So if you are not selecting this option, then I can't post the 0% tax. So that is the meaning for posting without tax allowed. And this and all, you know, I have to select a line entry display short key 001. And the field status group I am using a G006 material allowance. Okay, this is common. And one more GL I have to create now, input tax. So input tax in the account group, what you have to select, duties and tax. Duties and tax coming under balance sheet. Short text, I am updating here input tax 14.5%. And go to control data. See here you have to select line entry display short key 001. And field status group I am using here G001 general. Okay. So these 2 GL is mandatory. One is this one and one more is this one. So the next configuration, non-taxable transaction. So non-taxable transaction means you know the meaning, 0% tax. So the T code I am using for this OBCL, I already created A0, B0, you know that, right? This A0, B0 I have to assign here in my company code. So go to OBCL. And here only you can see non-taxable transaction, means 0% tax. You have to assign your company code. I will go to position now. I will update the company code here JL, right? But I already assigned here. But here and what you have to do, you have to assign V0 and A0. Okay, this is 0% tax. And the final step is integration. Integration steps between purchase and the sales. Integration means the T I'm using here, OB40. Integration. Okay. See, in the first configuration, you know this accounting key. I told you, MWS, VST. You know that, right? You remember or not? First configuration. I told you, right? You don't know that. What is T for first configuration? OBYZ. So go to /n OBYZ. Click on procedure. And your tax procedure is what? Tax jail. Select this. If I double click on control, you can see this accounting key I am telling. This I told you already, right? MWS means output tax, VST means input tax. So this based on this accounting key only I am doing the posting, right? So why I am doing this configuration? Here you can see the transaction here, right? So I have to search the accounting key here. Where is that? You can see here MWS, output tax. This is coming under accounts receivable. So now we are in accounts payable. So what I have to follow? VST. You can see here VST is there. So why I am doing this configuration? I created an input tax GL. You know that now only. That GL I have to assign here. So double click here and link your chart of account JL. Click on enter. And here I already assigned. You can see here on input tax. What GL this is? This is input tax GL. If I come down now, you can see input tax 14.5%. For me is the because I already assigned it. You can see the number here 101400, right? This number is matching or not? So now select this input tax and assign and click on save. That's it. Okay. Up to this, what and all I am doing, all are consultant job. Now I'll come for the end user. /n f-43. I am doing one posting now. So update your document date and posting date here. And already we created the vendor and all here. So I will select one vendor now. For example, we'll select a Wipro only. Enter double time. I'm getting one error. Why?
Question it is
And
proper.
why you do anything changes in the configuration? You are changing anything in the configuration because why I'm getting the error? Last time only I saw the error, right? Why? Posting period 00220 not open. Okay, anyway, I'll set it in OB52. JL. See, like simple, like why we are doing the configuration like this? See, May month,
2020.
next year 12 March means coming under 2023 only, no? Special period also I told you. Next year and only it will come, no? Then why you are giving here 2022? Huh?
Like given the 21, 22, 22.
Because I'm seeing
It's changing. There are given 21.
I'm doing 21 only now.
Yes,
Because I said this
12.
is-
So there is 20. 12 month 21.
See, this is April
2.
21. Correct?
Yes, sir.
12th month is next year, March.
March.
That time I have to do 2022 only, correct?
Yes, sir.
Special period open after March only. That's why I'm giving here 2022. Now click on save. So now 2021 is there, huh? Close this. Enter. See, now the error is resolved. Now update here 10,000. Some invoice amount. And select here calculate tax. Don't forget to select calculate tax now, okay? Testing. And here I have to select 40. And here I have to select purchase 14.5%. Don't select this purchase. You have to select this one, 14.5.
Doing taxes.
Enter. update here star, and the tax code I have to select here V1. Right now we are in accounts payable, select here 14.5%, and select here plus, and go to document and simulate. Now you can see, if you calculate this two amount, you will get this amount now. So I told you already, tax calculated always on the base amount. So this amount goes to vendor, and this amount goes to government. Simple. So this is international tax configuration. Okay. So this is small topic. Anyway, you understand, I hope now. Right. So tomorrow topic you make notes. I have to take TDS. Okay. Uh, anyway, I'm taking one more batch also. Like the same topics only is going there also. So I'm planning to merge the batch. See, for example, if I'm taking like a 10 o'clock class now, you are facing any issue? 10 o'clock means?
No, sir.
Because 10 o'clock only that batch start every day. Because I'm in the same topic. Here also accounts.
No issue.
Hmm? The same thing only. See, 10 o'clock means 10 o'clock or 10:15, whatever it may be, but only half an hour only there also. I'm not taking more than that. 30 minutes only there also. But
No
I'm
issue.
asking 10 o'clock is 10 to 10:30 is okay, right? Okay. Anyway, first
No, sir.
Okay,
Talking to
sir.
company also.
company, yeah. Then one
No,
more.
I have logging to my work
What time you are logging?
at 10:45 like that.
10:45 only you are logging. Now my class started at 10 o'clock only. No, half an hour only you can't attend. Hmm?
Sir, 9 o'clock is better, no?
No, no. No, you have to understand the situation. One more batch also, same topic is going. See, now I am completing here input tax, right? Again, 10
Ah,
o'clock, one more batch also input tax only. Instead of taking two times, if I mess the batch, same topic only is going on, correct?
yeah.
Okay, 9:30 also is not fine for you. 9:30 also it is not possible.
What, sir?
9:30 if I am taking the class, it is not possible to attend. I am asking you. 9:30. Hello?
It's okay, sir.
9:30 is okay.
Okay, sir.
Before that, actually, I want to check that batch actually. 9:30 they are comfortable or not. Okay, people because people they are coming from different direction. No? So anyway, I will check with that batch first. 9:30 is okay, then I will take 9:30. I'll message the batch. There are actually on 12, 13 people are there. Everything I'll match, both are same topic only is going on. Instead of taking two times, I can take one time only, all the batches, right?
So 9:30 sounds good, sir.
9:30
Yeah,
is,
because if 10 means we have to go there. That's why.
no, we have to go means where actually, we have to go to office.
Yes, sir. Hybrid. Hybrid is going on, so that's why. 2 days I
Anyway,
have to
see,
office.
timing here and here will be there. 9:30 means I will take 9:30, but 10 minutes actually you have to cooperate. Okay, right?
Ask them once, sir. Let's see.
What?
You said like you also you are going to ask them also, right?
Yeah,
9:30 or 9:30.
yeah
Ask
9:30 to
let
9:30 to So you only are facing the problem 9:30, right? So any other student facing the problem if I'm taking 9:30 or 10 o'clock class? Hello? I'm asking each and everyone actually. You are facing any problem if I'm taking class at 9:30 or 10 o'clock?
No, sir.
What about Prajata?
No,
You are
sir.
facing any issue? 9:30, 10 o'clock? Prajata? Okay, leave it actually she is busy. So what about Archana? If I'm taking 9:30, 10 o'clock, you are facing any issue?
No, sir.
Okay. What about Deepa?
Sir, for me also it's fine, but better to check with everyone and you decide which timing to.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. What about dear? If I'm taking 9:30 is okay for you?
Yes, the 9:30 is completely fine.
Okay, no problem. Then what about Shagar? 9:30 or 10 o'clock is okay for you?
Okay, sir. Fine. Fine for me.
Anyway, if tomorrow I'm taking separate only. I have to check with that batch. Okay, 9:30 is okay. Then we'll go for 9:30. Okay. So thanks to everyone.
Sir,
Tomorrow,
I have doubts.
yeah, madam. You share me already 9:30 now. I have to go to office now. Please share me your screen. Other people actually you can leave the call. Okay. If you want to listen, you can listen. Otherwise, you leave.
No,
Yeah. What is the problem? No, I didn't understand. What is the problem now?
No, while checking the balance in GL account
Mm-hmm.
before payment, that time getting error, sir.
So first of all, you go to balance FBL3 and I have to check that. Go to FBL3 and FBL3N. Okay. Update your company code. Don't go like this and learn, but it will take too much of time. So select that. So update here only company code. Enter now. Select outstanding. Why you select? Why you created two outstanding? I didn't understand the logic actually. Why?
Means I created outstanding salary and outstanding wages.
See, create only one outstanding. Okay, so don't create unnecessary two outstanding. System can't understand what you are doing finally. Okay. So update your company. Update your company code here, and click on execute button.
sir, just for my understanding, outstanding should be only one GL account, right?
Outstanding always only one. That's why see system doing there are no line item display possible because you are not selecting line item display only. Go to FS00. Go to that current liabilities. Two outstanding created, right? So we double click on first outstanding. Go to control data in the right hand side. Come down. Madam, where is that open item and the line item short key? You are not mentioning anything here. Why?
Line items display should be selected.
No, nothing is there. No, actually, I selected a open item, line item, everything, right?
Yes, yes.
Where is the short key?
Okay.
Nothing is there. Means then how it is possible? Now it is not possible. Okay, you have to create now one more outstanding. Now already you created two, right? You
Then
have
I'll
to
create both, sir, and I'll create one outstanding.
don't use that both. What I'm doing, create one more outstanding new one. Then see my video. Select this two option: open item, line item, short key. Then after posting, you can see the result. Now don't use this two. Create one more now.
Okay, so I'll delete this two and I'll create one.
No, you can't delete also now. It is impossible. Already this is running now. Don't delete anything. Go to create button and create one more outstanding. So select there open item, line item.
Okay.
See my video and do that.
Okay.
So apart from that, you have any issue?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is your doubt.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. So tomorrow, same time, like 8:30 or 8:45 or 9 o'clock, I'll fix one time. Okay. So please see my message. Tomorrow topic is TDS, extended with the holding tax. Okay. So thanks to everyone. So tomorrow morning we'll see you again. So thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
போஸ்டிங் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா அதை delete பண்ண முடியாது.